body, baby, show me.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. So today is kind of a continuation of Monday's video. We're here with good old Michael, who's helping me out with tinting these guys. I've had these Altezza lights on for what, 2 years now? Sure. 2017 is when I got this. Yeah, a little over 2 years. So I'll give you guys some examples of what Michael's work. So this is on his car, his daily driver, which is the first time I think this has been on videos. This is Michael's Speed 3. So Michael did the smoke tail.
I'm going to try and fix this too. I know exactly what's wrong with it. That little clip right there. I'm going to try and plastic weld it back.
Clip's busted.
And just screw it back in there.
So you can see he's done a lot of the vinyl stuff on this car. He's got the stickers. He did the taillights on this car. Did you do the taillights on this car? Yeah. So is this the lights? This is the smoke, right?
Yeah, light smoke.
Because you did the full on tint, which we're doing in mine on Marshall's car.
Yeah, which is right here.
So this is what we're going to be using in mine. And where can they come to you to get vinyl work done? Because
nowhere right now, because I am packed. But
so,
you can follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, so I'll put that on screen, whichever one you want to put on. Do you want to use this one?
No, just Kindlestone. Okay,
just use the normal Kindlestone. So just
but you can still follow my cars. Kindlestone M Speed 3 or Kindlestone Dodge, or just follow me.
This is where you can get
really
his normal
any
stuff.
Of them.
Yeah, any of them will work fine. But so he's done all the vinyl work on this car and all the tinting and stuff. So one of my neighbors down there wants to get stuff done too. But yeah, for today's job, we're doing the Altezza lights on this. Originally, we were thinking about trying to do the third brake as well, but the fact that my dad just spent all afternoon yesterday polishing that, and plus Michael said it might be a little bit too hard to do, so we're just going to avoid that one. We're just going to do these tails. So I'm going to get the last bolts out. Pretty much 3 8mm bolts after you take off the rubber grommets. I've gone through this a few times, but just for the people who are new and have never done this before. So yeah, I'm going to take the rest of them off, and we're going to get to work. So we got our template cut for that side light. It's looking good so far. So these are, in case you're wondering, the CG taillights, and they're good quality. They get scratched really easily, but I really wanted a full blackout. That's what I wanted originally, and hopefully these are the rest of it. I guess you can say a bit of a birthday discount. A little bit. So, oh shoot! So now we're gonna work on cleaning them. Make sure they look all good, ready to go.
Shoot, I'll do it right here on this, because this is my height wanting to sit down.
Pretty
I can just stand up.
Pretty giant. But
you can use tire shine on this junk. I need a different towel.
What do you mean?
Junk's resistant water.
What? Oops.
It's like a tire shine towel. I need something different.
Oh, okay.
That junk's cool.
I'll find some.
That would work.
So we're actually doing the tint now. Okay, a whole lot better. So, this is always the fun part of the whole job, is actually putting the tint on. Let's see, is this going to be easier than Hayden's taillights were, is the question. Got it. Hayden's taillights were crazy. So, I guess since it's just kind of just laying the vinyl down, we'll come back when this is about ready. Hello. So, guys, the lights are on. I guess so. Yeah, I was gonna say close that up real quick. So, obviously, we got some fingerprints on that. Nothing a quick little spritz won't do, but that looks so much better. And it sucks is you can't see the cargo lights in the daylight. But wow, I actually like that a lot more than the Altezza lights that were on it before. So Michael again killing the game. So make sure to go follow him at Kindlestone.
Oh, look at that.
That's not there. Huh, gone. So I guess now to find out how well the light still shines through. So has the lights on? That still is pretty good. You can still see it perfectly fine. You hit the brakes real quick. Like literally, you can't even on the camera. It looks exactly the same. Yeah, you can still see it perfectly fine. It's literally, and this lighting, it's just as bright as the third brake. The key's in it too. If you ever wanted to test one of the blinkers too, just put it in run. Just tap it twice. Oh, it's in reverse. Did I leave it in reverse?
Hey, can you start this thing in reverse?
No. It's locked out. And I tried starting it and drive once by accident, and it wouldn't start.
Does the reverse light look good?
Yeah, they look good. Oh, the hyper flash.
I got you.
Yes, that's one way to do it. But yeah, this looks so much better. We were going to do the third as well, but Michael said it's pretty much just a weird shape, and it'd just be really hard. And you said you need, like, what, Plasti Dip tint you called it?
Yeah, it's just spray on Plasti Dip tint. Or you can use the matte black stuff and it still do the same thing.
I don't like matte finish. Oh! Still disgusting. But yeah, that looks so much better. What do you think? Looks good? Sure. Looks real good.
Sure.
Looks better than what it was before. And the lighting is still great. You can still see the lights through it and everything.
Barely.
Barely?
Barely.
I saw fine. I'm not blind, but you know. And the lighting,
does have the sun shining right on it, so I mean.
Yeah, like what's funny is on camera, it looks like it's pitch black dark. Like come here and look. So you see, you can't even tell. But literally in person, you can still see the red shining through pretty good. But it looks great. Everything still works as it should. You can still see everything fine. And since I have full LEDs on the back, this is effectively legal. Because I was told, even if you have tinted lights, you have LED bulbs on it. And Michael's mom even was a cop at one point. And didn't she say the same thing?
I mean, as long as it's bright enough.
Which it is. And still see everything perfectly, so.
Like, if you're stopping and a cop's behind you and he can't tell that you're stopping, then yeah. But
then in that case, but.
Charger's fully blacked out on the back. That thing's got tint on it. Light smoke, but.
And is this the exact same tint you ran on the Taurus and the Charger?
Yeah.
So, and he just never been pulled over in either car. And you've had cops behind you a lot before, so. It's not like the night, what was it? What did you use on the Jeep? Full on Plasti Dip? So.
Plasti Dip.
That was darker than this.
Spray, not
the tint, the paint.
Yeah, with a gloss on top of it.
So yeah, this looks fantastic. So huge thanks to Michael for the birthday discount and getting it done pretty good for me. Because this, like I said, I prefer this over those Altezza lights. And it's nice and glossy because I don't like matte finish at all, like I just said. And like the lights just shine through perfectly. So huge thanks to Michael once again. If you guys want to get this done to your car, make sure to message him on Kindlestone once he gets freed up. Because he's packed right now.
Shoot, I'd make a living off of it.
Yeah.
I would love to do that instead of what I do now.
But if you haven't already, go check out his page for the Mazda Kindlestone. Huh?
Your tire's a little low.
That's actually 30.
You sure?
Yeah, I have the gauge and it always says 30 because I check it all the time. So I was like, yeah, that looks low, and I checked it once and it was 30.
My junk's, I think, low.
But yeah, I guess. Oh, if you want to check out the Charger, Kindlestone for Dodge. So, well, that said, I think we're about ready to wrap this thing up. Unless you have anything you want to add.
Nothing.
So, thanks everyone for tuning in. I know this video was also very short. This has been a week of short videos, but moving day to get in my dorm is Saturday. Moving to get in my dorm is this Saturday. So, this upcoming Saturday. So, it's going to be a lots of like quick videos that I can get out fast. So, anyway, oh, nasty. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a good one, everyone.